In a small village lived a farmer named Akram. He was hardworking but weak in body. He worked in the fields day and night but would get tired easily. One day, while Akram was cutting grass near the forest, he suddenly saw two beautiful cows, one shining white cow and the other golden. The white cow gave milk of strength, and the golden cow gave juice of energy. Akram drank the juice and milk of both cows every day. Slowly, the weak farmer became a strong wrestler. The whole village began to talk about his strength and prosperity. One night, a terrifying lion came from the forest. He entered Akram's barn to eat the cows. The cows began to moo loudly in fear. Akram heard the noise and came out. Now he was no longer a weak farmer. He had become a wrestler. He faced the lion. The lion leaped toward him, but Akram struck a powerful punch. The ground shook, and the lion rolled backward. With another blow, the lion was defeated and ran away in fear. Akram hugged his cows. The whole village celebrated. He had now become not only a wrestler, but also the hero of the village. And the cows lived peacefully and happily ever after. Akram is sad because no one liked and subscribed.